Ayan. Tayong pupuntahan. Ang gamitin natin motor. Konbensinay natin. Ito muna yung dala natin yung FC1000 1000 kick yan. So let's go. Let's go. Ay na yung BS1 nakalimutan. Kala ko Formula 1 eh. So yung event na pupuntahan natin mga katods is ito siyang motor show. So motor show for a cause. 1 PM yung event, ang start ng event. So oras na is 1:30, magtutuna. Late na tayo, pero anyways yung Z900 natin is nakapwesto na doon. So yung event na to is organized by Iloilo host Leo Club. So iba yung Lions, pa naman yung Leo. So ang event ito is Wheel of Hope, no? Wheels of Hope. So para to sa mga may cancer patient. And dahil sa Wheels of Hope, nag-traffic yung Robinson Pavilion. Ayan. Saan yung tropang warriors? Ayan, Dave. Ayan ang 10R ni Dave. Andito yung Z900 natin. Yeah. Ayan products mo, baby. Sticker.
Sa Iloilo. What do you do for a living? Sir, excuse. What do you do for a living, sir?
Ano sir? Tricycle driver sir.
Okay. Paano mo ni sir na bakal, sir? Anong diskarte, sir?
Wala ginulam ko lang ni sir.
Ginulam mo lang? Okay. May baraware permit ka, sir? May baraware permit ka?
Meron. Pakita ko lang.
Wait lang, bagwat, sir.
Ang tripping ang kidya.
Yes. What do you do for a living, sir?
Ano yung libing man?
Idol.
I am Jai Hinko, a medical student.
And I'm Paul Gilaico, also a medical student. So we're here live at Robinson's Pavia, revving up not just engines, but also our hearts for a great cause. All proceeds today support cancer patients and their families.
All right. So without further ado, welcome everyone to Wheels of Hope Car and Motor Show for Cancer Charity. And thank you very much, DJ Rusty. Grabe, ang galing. Napapasayaw talaga kami. Diba? And I am very excited to introduce to you this afternoon our very wonderful, amazing, and talented na DJ Ivan. Thank you very much to our very distinct and mga extraordinary DJ. And they're doing this for free because all proceeds will proceed to our cancer charity.
And also, I would like to remind everyone here to explore, take pics, and get excited because the real show is just getting started.
Air map na tayo mga katots. Ready na. Ayan na po, loudest pipe. Loudest pipe. Yan. Ready ng earplugs. 6R naka yan, SC conical. 10R ni Balwig. Yan, SC din. 10R ni Dave, SC. Ito 10R ni Ward. Naka Leo Bills. Okay sir, naka AR 100. Good luck. Sure win ako, sure win. Loudest win. Project S. Atras. Bomba!
Kamusta?
Oh, Sir Jay kami, Sir Jay. Kante pa, sir. Ato na! Warriors! Naka-video sa kilid. Sir Jay, Sir Jay, Sir Jay. Video ka ito sa kilid. Sir Jay, Sir Jay.
Ito pa lang, sir.
April 2025